Lucas is aka Mr. Freerunner. He's jumping up on top of the park. Da 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 da. Yeah. Feel thinking. Yeah. So guys, we are at the co-op. Oh my god, guys, it's so fuzzy. Focus, 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 focus. Focus, you stupid. Okay, there you go. There you go. Co-op, yeah. So we're at the co-op and we're going to go buy some sweeties and we're going to buy some...
And eggs for her.
Yeah, eggs for my mum, for God's sake. Why? Sure.
It got a different colour of hair. It's a nice hair. Wow. He just wants to...
Who is that?
Like, you can tell that's not his normal
Oh
voice.
my god, what is that? Who was that? Okay, right then.
Where's the red colour? No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You can't buy them.
Huh?
You can't buy them.
Yes, you can. Watch me buy it then.
Well, I've got the money, so you can't.
Ha! Maybe I want to them.
No, because it's fine, I don't care.
Can I?
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
I like how we're just recording it, like, right, so Ribena for me, thanks.
Watch me get those. I always get out my local Tesco's.
That
I'm
one,
gonna
put
get
it
that
back.
one,
I'm just not gonna get that one. Why not? I mean, come on. Who wants to get it? Well, where did Mama say the eggs were? Said they were by the cereal and the thing, weren't they?
Yeah, buy the cereal.
Which is over here.
Eggs. 6 large range free eggs. 6 large free range eggs.
Okay, sorry.
Is that what you wanted or?
Yeah, I think so, pretty much. Right then. Eggs. Yeah, go and have a look in Sweets. Well, sorry this is a bit boring for you guys, but we're trying to make a Vlogmas. Like, it's hard to make vlogs every single day. Shut up. Shut up. I shall kill you. This is like really weird for you guys. Right then. So, they definitely did not just nearly crack a load of eggs. Right then. Put those back there. Don't really want those. These eggs. Oh, for God's sake. No. Peoples, why is it so hard to find eggs? Why is it so hard to find quality eggs? They're all crap. What? What is it?
Galaxy.
Oh, what is it? Oh. Sure. How much is it?
169.
169. Don't care.
Or not?
Hold the camera. Just hold the camera on my face for a minute, please. Because I'm trying to find some good eggs. Oh my god.
I just got struck by lightning. I'm obsessed with that song.
Okay, these are
Let's
good.
check the eggs, guys.
Check the eggs. Pretty good eggs. Pretty nice eggs. Pretty nice eggs. Yep. Look at these.
Yep.
Right then. You can get more than just that. You can get more than just that. I don't care.
Nice.
Nice.
You should never have told me that.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right then.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god, I know the go.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go there. Let's just go over here for a minute. Coke. Coke. I don't even like any fizzy, so I don't know why I'm zooming in on that, to be honest. Yeah, so far. Yeah, guys, when I get back, I'm gonna eat some eggs, and I'm joking.
We're gonna splash my head.
On yours, on your nice blue hair. Right, let's go get the sweets. Come on, go. Okay. Right then.
No, I can't be able to get one of these.
You not? Bye bye, Lucas. Bye. Right then, what?
Just in case you want to get something.
Right then, what am I gonna get? Right. So as I'm not talking that much. There's other people here. Right, on of course. Right. Okay. What's he found?
Iron brew.
Yeah.
I'm
Big bottle.
I'm Scottish if you didn't know, so.
Half. I'm not fully Scottish. Here we go. My favourite sweets.
I was born in Scotland, so. Damn.
Right then. You not getting anything else?
I don't know, I'll get some chewing gum. If there is any gum.
And I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a Galaxy Bell. That's what I'm gonna get. Right. We haven't gone over, have we?
Where's the gum?
There's no way we've gone over, is there?
There could be.
I hate you. I don't know. I don't think we've gone over. It's not that much. Oh god, my hair.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
It's happening. Lucas, can you pay? Okay, no. As in, like, I give you the money,
Oh,
but like
yeah.
I hold the camera just like there. Right then. So I'll take some stuff. Can you take the speaks? Okay. Right, off we go. Wait, we'll see you guys outside. Hey all, so we're out of the co-op now, and I'm speaking much more louder because I'm out of the co-op.
Oh my god. My memory's so strong.
Yeah, so that's a Scottish drink, in case you don't know. But yeah, so we got our bag of
Those stupid
sweets.
English people.
Are they
Mad at LOLster.
I'm half Dutch
you're half
actually,
Dutch.
thank you very much. So I'm not a stupid English person. Half Dutch and half English, and brah. And you're half Scottish and half English, and brah.
Pretty sure, no. I'm half Scottish,
Yeah.
a little bit a bit English, and a bit South African. No joke.
Why?
Like my great uncle or something. No, I don't know.
So you're like,
I don't know. But that's what my mum said.
okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna walk back to where we're gonna park or go home.
Up to you, park, I'd say.
Yeah, just tea us our sweets and we'll get back to you when we got the sweets and it's not so windy. Hi guys, it's so cold! Let me have a friend. It's very cold, it's cold. Mum!
Bury me with a Red Bull.
Right, so yeah, we're at the park. We're at the park with our snacks and our friends that we just bumped into. I'm not allowed to film two of them. Yeah.
There's no point in saying that. They don't even know they're there. I don't even know.
Yeah.
They don't even know they're there.
I know. So you're not allowed to see the camera, but you're allowed to comment who you are. I don't know who you are. Yeah, guys, so we'll get back to you when we're in the house and it's bloody warm. Hi guys, so we're back home now. We're playing a bit of Roblox. Playing a bit of Roblox. Yeah, so basically we're at home now, a bit warmer now, aren't we?
Very,
Yeah.
very much so.
Yeah. So we're back. So we're playing this, and we're gonna end out the Vlogmas number 2 here.
So Dan TDM, aka me, says goodbye.
Yeah. So yeah. Thank you very much. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mother LOLster signing out.